Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Steve AI to create animated videos in minutes. So Steve AI can turn a simple topic or a complete script into a video with scenes, visuals, voice narration, background music, and then subtitles. So this is useful because you can make videos without advanced editing skills. So first, open Steve AI and create an account or sign in. So once you reach the main workspace, you can begin by entering a topic or selecting the option to use your own script. So for this tutorial, we will enter a topic and allow Steve AI to prepare the videos for us. In the text box, type a clear description of the video that you want to create, and you can use this sample prompt. Create a 60-second animated video featuring 10 powerful quotes on resilience. Use soothing voiceover narration, dynamic text animations, and cinematic stock footage with no human faces. And after entering that prompt, adjust the video length if needed. A shorter video can help you use fewer credits, especially when using a free account. Then click Generate to continue. Next, Steve AI will show the video preferences here. You can choose the visual style, such as live action stock footage, generative AI visuals, 3D cinematic content, or template-based animation, and then select the style that matches the type of video that you want to make. You can also choose the video duration, voice type, language, category, background music, and subtitles. And for the voice, you can select a male voice or a female voice or no voice at all. You can also enable or disable the background music and subtitles based on your needs. So once everything is ready, click Generate Script, and then Steve AI will prepare the script and divide it into different scenes. So review each scene carefully before continuing. You can also check the text and visual description, so remove scenes that you do not need or add more scenes if something is missing. And when you are happy with the scenes, click Generate Video, and you may then be asked to choose a template. So select a template that fits your video style, and Steve AI will begin creating the final video. And after the video is generated, preview it to check the visuals, narration, text, and timing, and you can also customize if you need to make more changes. And from the editor, you can remove or add scenes, adjust colors, and include transitions. Also, some editing options, such as adding a logo, may require an upgraded account. And once you are satisfied with the results, you can download the video or publish it directly to YouTube. But I want you to keep in mind that the videos created using the free plan may include a watermark and other limitations. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.